Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. In today's video, I'm going to be putting snow tires on the M3. No, not the M3, the GT4. I guess I have the M3 on the mind, but yeah, we're going to put snow tires on it. So I'm going to grab my son, grab the tools, and get started. Alright guys, snow tire day. Let's go for it. Not sure I'm loving it. That's what it was. Looks stylish and cool. Not sure on this one. We're gonna have to see once all four are on, but it's only for the winter, so. Alright, as you can probably tell from the hood, it's quite cold out here, so I'm gonna be quick, but I got the winter tires on, as you can see. I don't know if I love them yet or not. They're quite silver for a red car, but they have a little bit of a sporty look. I'm not really positive if I'm gonna keep them like this. Might powder coat them. These are 19-inch wheels, so now I've dropped down from the 20s. It still covers pretty well and there's not much wheel gap. Ride comfort is not bad. So these are the Michelin Pilot Alpinas, or Alpines I guess. I always ran Blizzacs, but these came with it from my friend. I bought these, so I'm gonna try it out and see how these work. So I don't plan to drive this too much in the winter. It's more for just if I want to have some fun with it. And now that it has snow tires, I can actually go and do donuts and drive in the snow. Just have to wait for actual snow because, as you can tell right now with the winter, there is none. So a quick little pro tip while these are just sitting out here, now would be the time to inspect them as well as clean them. Get some bags and make it so that when you put them away, they're nice and protected. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that. And also make sure that they've been marked, so when you put them back on the car, you actually know which side and which section they go to. So as much as I drive the GT4 in the winter, or at least I will be now, this is actually my winter car, or really just my daily driver. Although, I have to say, driving this in any weather makes it a lot more fun. And now let's head back to the original recording spot and close out this video. Believe it or not, in the haste of doing this video and filming everything, I actually didn't film a closing. So I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm really excited to take this car out into the winter and actually be able to drive it. And as you can see from behind me, I have a fridge, which I'm actually going to make a fridge video on fixing that fridge yet again, and a little bit on our new fridge. So as always, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.